Hello again friends and welcome to the final episode of our Northeast Estonian hangabout. In the previous episode we camped next to a beautiful little lake, had a wildlife encounter at the morning and did some urban sightseeing in the port town Narva. After finishing our tour with a nice meal, we left Narva and drove south through somewhat grim-looking landscape shaped by a mining and energy industry, heading towards our next planned camp spot at the beginning of a hiking trail to River Narva. Unfortunately, we got misguided quite a bit, and at this point we were stopped by a security guard at gate, since it's an active mining site around here. Further consulting with maps revealed that, together with backtracking, our actual shortest route was about 95 kilometers. Oh well, no point in staying put and moping about it. Oncoming absence of light prevented us from filming, but we managed to arrive to our destination, walked to the exact spot, set up our tent, and went to sleep. Because we did all that in pitch black darkness, it was quite fun to wake up at the morning and discover what our campsite actually looked like. When done with enjoying our breakfast, we made sure we left the site nice and clean, took down and packed our sleeping amenities, and marched back to Vidugas. After switching into lighter gear, our next mission was a 10-kilometer hike, or walk, opinions differ, to River Narva and back. Time flies when you're enjoying beautiful surroundings, and before we knew it we already got close to our turning point. There was a border post, behind it the mighty River Narva, and on the other shore a large terrorist state we have a misfortune of being neighbors to. About 100 meters back from the turning point there was a nice resting spot, and we took a little moment to rehydrate and reflect, before heading back to Vidugas to start driving home. We enjoyed today's hike and overall trip a lot, but as we were sweating and cross from the walking, we decided to make one final stop at the biggest lake in Estonia, Lake Peipsi, and have a nice swim.